Welcome to Four Strokes Adventure. And so the first question I'll ask is, why should you subscribe to Four Strokes Adventure? So I'll pose the question, have you ever opened up the hood of a modern vehicle and felt overwhelmed by all the new technology and you wanted to learn more about it? Or have you ever walked into an automotive dealership and felt like they were going to take advantage of you and you really wish that you could actually know a little bit more about the technology under the hood of the vehicle? Well, that's where the Four Strokes Adventure comes in. So first, I'll say that don't worry about experience. So if you don't have experience and you're not that comfortable with automotive, don't worry. Ask questions, leave comments, and I'll talk about it. So what do you get actually out of the channel? Well, each episode will talk about different ideas, common ideas that as a technician I hear and see every single day in the automotive industry. So I'll give you a couple of examples. What is the benefit of synthetic oil? Or what does the engine light mean and how do I get rid of it? Or what are some of the buying tips I should be aware of when I'm buying a used car? So you're at this point in time, you're asking yourself, who am I? Well, my name is Tony and I'm a Red Seal Tech with over 10 years of experience. And so please leave questions, comments, anything that you're facing with automotive related problems. Leave a comment down below and let's go on this journey together.